What's good, guys? It's Ida from Afro Kicks, and I've got a itsy wincy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. What's good, guys? It's Ida from Afro Kicks, and I've got a small but yet very irritating bone to pick with you fellas out there. I think I speak for almost every single female sneakerhead or customizer out there when I say I am not your bro. Do I look like Mandem? So ever since I started this whole trainer customization, you see, even look, let me just point this out. I'm from the UK, so I say trainers, right? So if I slip up and switch between sneakers and trainers, don't blame me. It's just the way I was brought up, okay? It's just the way I was raised. So ever since I started this trainer customization business of mine, Afro Kicks, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and order some kicks, you know, some customs. I've got some here up here. Ever since I started this, I've been getting messages like, yo bro, those are sick, or yo bro, your customs are fire, or bro, like you're so good. Do I look like Mandem? Once I can let it slide. Twice I'm like, okay, maybe I need to start correcting people. By the time we got to like the 4th, the 5th, the 6th time, I was like, you know what, I'm putting female customizer in my Instagram bio because I cannot take it anymore. When I first started my customs, I didn't put my face, my gender, anything on my Instagram page. Even if I do, if I don't, why would you assume that I'm a guy? Why is it that because someone's into sneakers, someone's into trainers, some good trainers, that there must be a man? Why? And this is not just me that suffered, you know. I must have put something up on my Instagram story complaining about the issue, and I've got a few replies from people that customize trainers and from also people that just post trainers, you know, people that just are like sneaker enthusiasts, sneakerheads, that just post their collection or whatever on their Instagram page. They don't show their face. Sometimes even they're holding the shoe. Sometimes they have the shoe and they are holding it. You know, you take the picture like this. They are holding it and you can see that I don't do my nails, but you can see they have their nails on. Why are you calling them a guy? Why do you assume they are Mandem? Why do I look like Mandem? Why is it that just because we make custom sneakers, custom kicks that aren't Disney inspired, right, that they have to be made by a guy? Why? Why is it because I'm into trainers I must be a guy? Why is it that I have to show my face? Why is it that I have to put on my bio that I'm a female for you to even acknowledge the fact? Sometimes you don't even acknowledge the fact. I even had a message from someone saying, yo bro, and I said, either I get real petty on this person right now, or I ignore the message. So I ignored it. And then now I'm here on YouTube and I'm thinking, come on, there must be people out there that have the same issues as me, or there must be people that are suffering like me, thinking, what is going on? But even when I type in female customizers, it is so annoying, the fact that I have to even put the word female or woman before I try to look for these customizers. The only female customizer, which happens to be the first one that I came across when I was looking for customizers, female or male, was Sophie Soap. She's the only one so far that I've really seen being put out there. And also Kel Shammi, I didn't even say her name. These are the only two that I think that are really big. I don't even see myself as a feminist. I have never even thought about the fact that I should be going, you know, women's rights the same way I do Black Power Fist. I should be doing women's rights fist. It never crossed my mind until I entered this industry. I thought I was just going to be here, you know, doing the Black Power trainers, shoes that are inspired by Africa. You see, because my main thing is pro-blackness. That is what I do, right? That is what I'm trying to get across to the people, is to love and embrace who you are and your skin colour and your culture and everything about you. Now I have to think about also being a female. I just thought I'd come on here and have a quick rant. Because I know that even the female sneakerheads are suffering. The female customizers, we are too suffering. And the fact that I'm from London, not even, oh my goodness. Actually, let me touch on this. Being from the UK is also another layer of struggles when it comes to getting out there and when it comes to people actually buying your sneakers, because most times there's customizers that can do, well, that can do what you do but don't necessarily do what you do, because my style is different. I feel like I have paved my own little pocket in this customization world, and I kind of put myself in there. So there are people that are in your area that can do it. I can understand that. There's levels to this that I didn't even realise when I started getting into this thing. I don't say all of this to be insulting the man them, but all I'm gonna say is, if you do not know the gender of the person, do not assume. If you're going to message me, you do not have to add the word bro. You just say yo, or what's good, or hi, or dear person, that customer, dear Afro Kicks. You do not have to assume. It's like, this is bringing me back to the pro-blackness right now. It's like when there's a non-white person or a person of color that is in the news, or that is a product made for them, or that is in a book, they have to make it obvious that they're not white. You have to say the brown skinned person, the black person, this person. Even if they're not Christians, you have to say the Muslim person. What? You see, when you are the other, you have to make it known. And this is what's frustrating me. This is because you deal with it. I've noticed it so much when it comes to the black community. When it comes to us being described, it has to be we are the add-on, we are the extras. And now it is also for us in the sneaker world. For women. Because there are many black customizers. And there's not many black British customizers, and there's not many black British female customizers. So it's just levels to this. Levels to this. And I just had to, come on here and draw it out, because I feel like it's not spoken about enough. I started an Instagram page called Female Customizers. So if you yourself are a female customizer, female sneakerhead or whatever, and you feel like this relates to you, you can relate to this video, then please go and follow that, and I will start sharing pictures of people's stuff and promoting the fact that we too make dope customs. We don't just look, I'm not dissing the people that paint the Disney customs, but those ones are almost always going to be women that are doing it, right? So, and the glitter ones, and I'm trying to show you that women can make customs like you, Mr. Sneakerhead, or okay? And if there's someone out there actually called Mr. Sneakerhead, I was not calling you out. I'm just saying people that like trainers that are men. Okay. That's the end of this video, guys. If you liked it, please subscribe, please like, please share. Please go and find a female customizer and support them. A female sneakerhead and support her. Okay. Until next time. Peace. She's off.